Hi, I'm Rob Reiner. I've just directed my first feature film for Embassy Pictures. It's called Spinal Tap. It's a comedy about a British rock and roll band. I'd love to show you a clip, but as you can see, we're still editing here. I know I should show you something, and I found this piece of film lying around the editing room. It's not from my picture, but I think you'll find it interesting and quite informative.
The call of the Alpenhorn echoes across the Danskin Peninsula, part of Denmark's cheese belt, signaling to all those with nothing better to do the start of Scandinavia's happiest tradition, the Kjelgenfjorst, or Cheese Festival, or Jørgenvelk. Cross-country cheese rolling, requiring years of experience to handle these 100-pound wheels of Edam. The 4-century history of this challenging spectacle has seen only one serious accident, when a spectator was fatally crushed by a runaway Gouda. There are displays of amazing artistic skill, like cheese blowing. And just for laughs, an answer to the age-old question, are you putting cheese in your pants, or are you just glad to see me? The winner! And as the jubilant day fades into another suicide-filled Scandinavian evening, the festival goers crown the king and queen, truly the royalty of cheese.
Now, you understand, my film is nothing like this. My film is a comedy. It's about rock and roll. There's no cheese. Well, you'll see for yourself. What do you think? Maybe I shouldn't have shown him the cheese thing.
Don't worry about it. You can always cut the cheese.
Right.